promise. We just had a spike, bro. I told you guys this strategy is killing the markets. It's killing the markets. We are so good. I'm so good, bro. Look at that. See this, the massive spike that just happened. Like I said, it's over 95% win rate. So I'm about to give out this strategy as it is. Yo traders, welcome to my channel. FX Major is right here. So I want to catch spikes now on crash 1000. Okay, there's something I'm about to do now on crash 1000. I feel sorry to announce to you guys that the strategy I'm about to draw for you guys now is not indicator strategy. It's a price action strategy, and this price action strategy is something I've never revealed before. And this strategy is 100% like, it's crazy, trust me. If you learn this strategy from me, trust me, in less than 1 month, you start cashing out. Whether you are just coming to the market for the first time or you've been into the market for years and without having any, making good profits, without making profits, without withdrawing money, this is the strategy for you, everybody. Trust me, if you join the academy right now, it's just $70 now, because very soon I will change the price to $200, so it's just $70 now. And once you pay $70, you're gonna join my VIP signal platform as well. Trust me, when I say this strategy is crazy, it's crazy for real. It's very simple, dead simple for anybody to know. Whether you're a new trader or you've been into the market, into the system for years, it does not matter. So far you learned the strategy, and it's called the major theory. All right, major theory kills the market. Very, very simple to learn. Anybody can learn this strategy, and it has over 95% win rate, and I'm not joking. With this strategy, you can use it to trade boom, crash, synthetic indices, all the synthetic indices, all the indices. Then you can use it to trade currency market, even the crypto market. All right, it works perfectly well. It's something similar to how the banks trades. All right, so I know you say smart money, you say ICT. Well, this is not it. This is something crazy, something outstanding. So I'll give you guys this stuff. It's just with just $70, you can start making good money. You can start making money, you can learn and start making good money for yourself. I'm not joking here. So this strategy is for boom and crash. Okay, now I want to use it to catch spikes on crash 1000. So stay close, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe, and make sure to join the free Telegram channel to see the wonders we are doing over there. Okay, so check the description to join my free Telegram channel. Now I'll be selling from this very point, okay, to position into at least 4 places. Yeah, so I just opened to lot size into 4 places. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen there. We're gonna see a very thunderous spike around that zone already. I believe this, like, trust me, 100%. Let's see what's gonna happen right there. I'll quickly show you guys how to trade this. Just should I say preamble, how to trade this strategy. It's very simple, like I said. You just need to know some few stuffs and you're good. So we have to go back to 4 hours chart. This 4 hours time frame. All right, so on the 4 hours time frame, you can see here, let me delete this. On the 4 hours time frame, you can see where market reversed repeatedly. All right, so this is a strong supply. This is a strong supply because it reversed market twice or more. If you check back. All right, okay, so and around this level again, we saw this rejection. You can see this rejection, this candlestick rejected this line, rejected and closed below and started selling very massively. You can see the strong candlestick we have around this zone, right? And you can see the rejection. So now, should I say this is an inducement where market's gonna respect? Wow, look at that. So we just had a spike, just as promised. We just had a spike, bro. I told you guys this strategy is killing the markets. It's killing the markets. We are so good. I'm so good, bro. Look at that. See this, the massive spike that just happened. So this strategy, like I said, is over 95% win rate. So I'm about to give out this strategy as it is to anybody that comes to my DM now and pay just $70, you're earning this strategy for life. And once you get this strategy in less than 1 month, you start making series of withdrawals. I'm not joking. All right, so back to what we were doing. It will spike more, but I think I should take my profits already. Yeah, I just don't want to hold it, but if I hold it, it will still go down. Trust me, it will still go down. I know what I'm saying. Look at that massive spike. It will still go down, but I think I should maybe close some part. Just give me a minute, guys. All right, so I just closed 2 positions right there. Okay, now back to 4 hours time frame. You can see this level where market reversed repeatedly. Sorry, where market rejected from. So this is a crazy level here. This is a very strong level here. This massive rejection tells us so much about what is happening here. We have more sellers around this zone. This is a key supply level on our charts. All right, yeah, that's a key supply zone on our charts. Then we had something like this structure here. This structure here is like a trap. All right, it's like a trap. Should I say a decoy? This is like a decoy. What I mean by decoy, just like you're trying to set somebody up, you put something where you know that thing doesn't really mean anything to you, for the person to go and get that stuff, so as for you to maybe trap the person down. Yeah, so this is this stuff, this structure you're seeing here is just like a decoy. A lot of people want to be looking at selling around this zone. They see it here as a key supply zone, and this is where they're gonna take the money from the first sellers. These are the first sellers trap. Okay, so once market gets to this point, the first sellers will start, selling from that zone. Start selling from that zone. You see what market will do something like this. Printed this. You see what market did? Printed this doji candlestick with the hope that market's gonna drop down. Then it went down a bit and then poof, all the way up, guys, all the way up to this point. So this is the point that markets will respect, and it's going down and without looking back. It's going down without looking back. So there are so many things you need to know. So now we have market needs to induce, like, we had this this gap here. All right, this level here, unmitigated level here, the unmitigated week here, where market had to come and mitigate this level. And you can see we have so much gap here, which market needed to fill up this gap. But a lot of people start looking to sell around this level, and they will be trapped. They will start selling around this level, this first line here, not knowing that this is a level where markets will want to fill up before dropping again. Do you understand? So they'll rush in and start selling around this level here, this line here, and they forget that there's a level where markets will want to fill back. And once market wants to fill that back, that's when it takes their money and they'll start crying. All right, so bro, I've been in this system for a very long time, and I know how this market works. All right, I've been in this system for a very long time, and I know how this market works. I know the movements. I know when it's gonna spike. All right, so I have this strategy, like I've been working over it. This model I've been working on for a very long time, guys. For a very, very long time, guys, and it's killing the market. I can show you guys my VIP. All right, so this is my VIP. This is my VIP channel. You can see how we are killing the market. You can see all our trades moving so well. All right, see my students, what my students are doing. Someone that was on drawdown, $600 something recovered and made $200 profit. So look at my students, they are killing the market. Everybody are winning. You're all winning. Testimonies everywhere. Guys, we're killing the market. You need to join the winning team. Stop wasting money. Stop throwing money in giving Deriv your money. All right, look at the signals. I've given like 3 signals today, and all in good profit, and so on every day. These my classes with my student. You can see that. You can see how dated the chart looks. So we kill the market, guys. We kill the market every day. So join the winning team. You want to start making real money. All right, I don't really have much to say again. I just wanted to prove to you guys that this gonna spike, market is gonna spike around that level. All right, and it did. Just one candlestick and there was a massive spike, and it's gonna spike more and more and give us more money, guys. So we the best. Smash the like button, join the free Telegram channel. Let's make money together. I love you. Whoa, I told you guys, look at that. Just check out the entry right there, guys. Crazy, 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 bro.